Matters such as challenges to inclusion or non-inclusion of names from a provisional voters registration, conduct of, among other parties, political parties or registration and election officials may arise in a period leading up to elections. In recent memory, such a challenge, occasioned by a challenge to the inclusion of names on a provisional voter registration, occurred in the Omthia local authority election. SWAPO party launched a challenge against the inclusion of voters on the voters register of a person who was also a candidate for an opposition party. The director of elections at the time became a casualty, and the case was only concluded at a considerable time after the elections took place. The time frame in which the matter was concluded was of consequence, making timely resolution of such matters essential. The bill, when enacted, will establish the Electoral Tribunal, which may mean that such matters are concluded in a shorter period of time. The bill makes provision that the presiding officer of the Electoral Tribunal gives a written or oral decision on the matter not later than 5 days from the conclusion of the hearing. The bill proposes that the Electoral Tribunal will be set up once a magistrate commission designates by gazetting a regional court magistrate as an electoral tribunal. Such a tribunal may be for a particular geographical area, as may be determined by the Magistrates' Commission. Any appeals of decisions of the Electoral Tribunal will be heard by the Electoral Court. The Electoral Court may, among other instances, also review decisions of the Electoral Tribunal. The court will be established within the High Court of Namibia and be headed by the Judge President, assisted by 2 other judges of the High Court assigned by the Judge President, the bill proposes. Again, the bill stipulates that the Electoral Court must deliver a decision with reasons within 72 hours of the conclusion of a hearing.